What is up, people? My name is Ferdy, and in this video I want to show you how you can reset your WordPress website to the default settings so you can start over again. I will also show you how to make backups from your current website, but mainly I will talk about how to bring your website back to the default settings so you can start over from scratch. So let's get started. So over here I have this website with a lot of members and a lot of plugins. And if I want to start over again on this website, what I can do, I can go to the backend. I can go to plugins, add new. And then I search for WordPress reset. There are a few advanced tools. I need a simple one. So over here from Matt Martz, I click on activate. First I need to click on install, but it's already installed. Okay, and now I can go to tools, over here, tools, and reset. But what it will do, it will reset the database. It will not reset all the files on my website, and that's what I want. So if I would go to plugins, add new, and I search for all in one WP migration. If you type all in one, it should also be able to find it. Over here, install now. We can make a backup of our website and see how big our website actually is. So I activate it. And then I scroll down to all-in-one WP migration, export, and then export to file. Then it will do some preparation work. And it will say our website is almost 300 megabytes. So if you want to, you can create a backup by clicking here. Okay. And if I take a look at a brand new website over here, this is how I want it to look. Just a normal website from scratch again that we can work on. Go to the backend. Over here, if I click on export, file, I see this website is only 9 megabytes. So that's what I want with this website. How can we do that? Well, as I said before, if I reset this website, it will only reset the database. So I will get rid of everything. So first I go to the plugins, click over here, select everything except, let me see, WordPress reset, this one. And then I need to click on deactivate before I can delete it. So now all plugins are deactivated. I select them again and I uncheck this one. And I click on bulk action, delete. So first we delete all the plugins except for WordPress reset. Okay. Then I go to the media and I select bulk select. So I select the first one, scroll down all the way. Well, there are not much images, a lot of images. So hold shift, click here, and then delete permanently. Okay. There they go. Then I go to all the posts. No, all the pages and all the posts is not necessary. I can do it, but it will also be removed by the database. I click on apply. Sorry, I brought them all to the trash and then applied. Again, move to the trash. I go to the trash and I click on empty the trash. Okay, so far so good. I see body boss, so I also need to remove a few themes. Appearance, themes. Let me activate this theme over here. And then body boss, theme details, delete. Okay. So we deleted the plugins, the themes, the images, and the posts and the pages. Now we can go to tools, reset. Type in reset over here. And make sure you really want this. There's no way to bring this back unless you have a backup over here. Reset. Okay. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our website will be reset, as you see. So this is our website right now. No more community website. If I go to the backend, I go to plugins, add new, and I search for all in one WP migration. I can install it now and activate it. And then over here, I can click on export website to file. And right now it is 45 megabytes, not 9 megabytes, but also not 300 megabytes. So I'm fine with this. And now you can create a complete new website. So we can go to advanced, search for a new one, search for Extra, click on install or install, activate it, go to the starter templates or get started, select Gutenberg, click over here, import the complete website. Now we can view the site. And in a few seconds, we have created a new website. So that is how it works. One more thing, if I go to the backend, I go to all-in-one WP migration, click on import. I drag this one over here. I click on proceed. I click on finish. And then I click over here. And now my website is back again. So that's how you can reset a website and put back a backup that you created before. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you like it, please like this video and feel free to subscribe for new upcoming WordPress related tutorials. And then I will see you, or you'll see me, or we don't see each other in the next video. I need to rethink the way I end my videos because I did not prepare this and I'm not exactly knowing what I'm saying. I don't exactly know what I want to say. So I'm confused in my mind. Well, I try to be really secure about myself. Like I know what I'm doing, but I'm not. And I don't know. I just need to go back, prepare the end of my tutorials, and then I will improve. So if you subscribe, you can see how I will improve the end of my videos. Yeah. Okay. Bye.